tous et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons commencer lesson 1. Today, we are going to start first lesson, and this is Flambeau Zero. Flambeau Zero. Lesson 1. Lesson 1. L'alphabet. The alphabet. Here you can see this sign. This is called cedille. Whenever you will see cedille under C, it means C will be pronounced as S. So lesson A. Now l'alphabet, you can see this apostrophe, L apostrophe. L apostrophe, this is definite article, which means the. And we use this L apostrophe in front of noun starting with vowel. You can see here alphabet is vowel, so that's why this L apostrophe, l'alphabet, the alphabet. So now I will give you the pronunciation of French alphabet. Be careful. A, B, C, D, E. E in French pronounced as E. F, Z, G is pronounced as Z. H, H as H. E, I in French is pronounced as E. Z, J is pronounced as Z. Then K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R is pronounced as R. R. S, T, U. U, EU. In English, it's U, but in French, EU. You can see EU, EU. V, W. You can see this is V, and there is twice V, so that's why it is called W. X, Y, Y, Z. So it was the pronunciation. Now we will learn some words starting with these alphabets. Okay. Like in English we say A for apple. So for this for we use com, C-O-M-M-E. So we say A comme avion. A comme avion. Okay, avion means aeroplane. B comme ballon. C comme chat. D comme dauphin. E comme éléphant. F comme fille. Z comme garçon. H comme homme. I comme image. I comme image. Z comme jardin. Z comme jardin. K comme kangourou. L comme lion. M comme magicien. N comme Ned. O comme orange. Orange. P comme pomme. Pomme is apple. Q comme Q. R comme rat. R comme rat. S comme stylo. T comme tomate. U comme un. V comme vache. W comme wagon. X comme xylophone. Y, comb, ewe. Ewe means eyes. Z, comb, zebra. So we have finished this part. Now Mari Vansa. Mari Vansa. So Vansa is noun and Mari is pronoun. Masa. Then je m'appelle Marie et toi, comment tu t'appelles? So you will take your name, whatever is your name in this sense, like this, je, ma, then appelle is verb, which means to call, and then your name. So you will write here your name, whatever your name is. Now, comma, appeler. How to spell? So like Mari, you can see here. So for M we say M. फिर A, like you have seen in these alphabets. When I started the lesson, you have learned alphabets and its pronunciation. So in the same way, for R, H, for I, E, because I in French is E, then E, A. Then same for Vansa, V is V, I is E, N is N, C is Se, E is A, N is N, T is Te. So like this there is names. Okay, like Sophie you can see here as O, P, H, E, A. Then Pierre, P, E, E, R, R, E. So like this you will see, like for example Valerie, V, A, L, E, R, E, A, Valerie. Then another example, Joy. Okay, so what we say J in French. So we will write here, then for O, then for E. Okay, so like this we will do same for these all. There is some exercises. À toi, for you. Activité A, activity 1. Complète comme dans l'exemple. Complete as in the example. So for example, A comme avion, A for aeroplane, then C comme, so we will write here chat, C for cat, then A comme elephant. Okay, then Z, G is Z, Z comme garçon, boy, then K comme kangaroo. So in the same way you will do all these things. Okay, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Okay, activity the activity 2. So there is images and we have to put the name words. So this is rat. So in French we say rat, R-A-T. And this is man. What we say man in French? We say homme, homme. This is girl. We say fille, fille. This is ball. We say ballon. This is nest. In French we say net. This is dolphin and we say dauphin. Next exercise, activité 3. Activity 3. Complète les mots à l'aide de l'image. Complete the words with the help of the image. Okay, so these are the images and words for hints are given and we have to fill in the blanks. So you can see dolphin, some alphabets are given D, P, I. So they, A, A, U, P, H, E, N, Dauphin. Now this is image, and in French it is known as image. E, M, A, Z, E, image. Then jardin. This is jardin, garden. Then you can see magician, magicien, magicien. Okay, then you can see this is Q, 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 U, E, U, E, Q. Then orange. Now next exercise, activité 4, relie avec le bon mot. Match with the good word. It means appropriate word. So you can see images are given and words are here already, and we have to match. Like this is cat, so this will link to sha. Okay. Then image is here, so image will link to this one. Then boy, garçon. This is pen. How do we say pen? Stylo. And this is aeroplane. And in French we say avion. Okay. Now next exercise. Appelle le prénom de 4 camarades. Okay. Spell the pronoun of 4 classmates. Okay. So like someone's name is Sophie. So Sophie. So we will write like this. Sophie. 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 Someone's name is Rahul. So we will write Rahul. Okay. So next two you will do yourself. So last activity, comma, tu t'appelles. Okay. What's your name? So you will write je m'appelle and then your name. So thank you very much.